Hi, welcome to Mandalas by Chetna. Today I'm creating a window illustration with Mandala and Doodles. So here I'm constructing the grid. Now using the reference, I'm creating some rough sketch. The rough draft really needs a lot of erasing and redoing, but that is the fun part. This reference was super easy, and this is the first time I'm creating such an illustration, so it was a good way to get started. Now I'm adding loose florals using watercolors, adding a lot of scarlet red for florals and some light green for leaves and branches. Now I'm using red and green pen to add a little bit of detail. Using watercolors again to color the window, keeping it as simple as possible. After this, I'm using a brown pen to add some detail. Now comes the mandala part. I'm adding some very basic shapes to the grid I constructed in the beginning. Adding super simple details using a thin fine liner. Now I'm coloring the mandala using similar colors that I used in the illustration. The same reds, greens and blues. Doodling in the window part. And here I'm adding doodles around the illustration to enhance its overall look using yellow color because it's not very bright and adds the perfect detail. The illustration is ready. I'll mention all the art supplies in the caption below. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.